Hello students. So this is a faculty introduction video. I would like to introduce myself as a faculty of physics for JEE as well as NEET, right? So I have completed my BTech from NIT Trichy in 2011 and I have done PhD in manufacturing in mechanical engineering department in IIT Madras, although my research has not been completed, right? So I will be introducing myself about my credentials and the batches which I have been taking for physics students, those who are aspiring for NEET and JEE. So these are my credentials. I am a 93 alumni 2007 to 2011 batch, and I have done direct PhD without going through masters, right? Because I got a very good All India rank in GATE score, All India rank 6 in production and engineering paper, right? So I worked as a PhD scholar for 2000 from 2013 to 2020, right? Almost 6 to 7 years. And after my BTech, I have worked in software industries, although my BTech is related to manufacturing or production, which is part of mechanical. But I have worked in software, engineering, right? So in Infosys on Microsoft projects. And as far as my teaching experience is concerned, I have more than 7 years of teaching experience for, as a faculty of physics for even, CBSE board level as well as NEET and JEE level, more into JEE level practice, but also recently started for NEET, right? So I have qualified, IIT JEE in 2007 in EML. EML is like extended merit list, where I got the opportunity to go into Indian Institute of Space Technology, IST, and ISC Arts, right? But I qualified in IEEE, which is right now JEE main, right? So in that I got, in NIT Trichy. Then since 6 to 7 years, I have started teaching individually as an online faculty, and this is my platform called EduMind, and this app is available in Google Play Store. You can download it also, and you can also see the YouTube channel that where I am regularly updating some quality contents of problem solving and teaching methodologies of important problems, important concepts, right? So I would like to introduce about the batches which I take at my uh, platform. So let me introduce you about that. So I run basically two batches. One is the neve batch, which is the foundation batch for students coming into grade 11 from grade 10. So there are a lot of gaps, and those gaps need to be filled by proper uh, proper interactions, and they need to develop interest in that. So for that, this foundation batch is there, and in this I provide live sessions, recorded sessions, and I conduct test series on my platform. We take tests, and you can see your results, right? All those facilities are available. Beside this, I also take another batch called Tejas batch, where students of grade 12 are there, and they get to know about more into competitive environment like for J and NEET. And I do not differentiate first of all into students of like J or NEET. I just consider them as a physics student who have got the capacity to learn the subject, and with that particular focus in learning, we take this topics into more detailed into discussion type, and things are all available there. And regarding the fees structure, if you are interested, you can contact me for regarding this to get the enrollment, right? So thank you all for your attention.